So I'm starting a new project, and it was something I wanted to share since it, relates to the emergency preparedness type of stuff, and it is doing a partial off-grid conversion of my home to solar. So mainly choosing to go with the Renogy brand stuff here, but there's some other things over here that I wanted to share with you guys and talk to you about it, and it's going to be something I'm going to spend probably the next 6 months or more slowly purchasing items and getting things. So I figured I'd share with you what I've started at this point, and then as things get built and put together, I'll continue posting and sharing my experience after using things for a little while, so you can see what I've got going. So one of the very first things that I had to do is choose a location in my garage anyways where I could start building. So the first item that you see down here, this is the battery box that I've partially built. It's not all the way together yet. The larger portion there on the right is going to eventually be the lid, and the portion on the left is where these pipes will eventually be installed, so we can exhaust the hydrogen gas that the batteries will give off. We've also installed this piece of plywood on the side here, and that is where the charge controller, the inverter, and all the electrical units will be mounted to the wall. Heading over here, this is kind of where we started off anyways, but it's just a lot of the equipment and other gear that I've been slowly accumulating. I've got some wire there that's going to be for running the panels into the home. Some battery cables. This is what we're going to daisy chain the batteries, because it's going to be a combination of parallel and series to get the proper voltage and then also the capacity that I want to at least start off with, and won't kind of move from there. The charge controller I've chosen to go with because it's going to be a smaller system. We're just going to go 12 volt, and we're going to run 4 panels to start. We're going to run the Renogy monocrystalline 100 watt panels, and then we've got the Commander, the 40 amp solar charge controller, and then its corresponding meter, the MT50 tracer. Over here is a Wanderer charge controller. That's one of the PWM models versus the MPPT that the Commander is. But that one came with some of the panels that we had ordered, and it's just going to kind of be like a backup and not used. Over here we've got some fuse holders, both the ANL and the ANL minis, bus bars, bus bar holders, and then some of the terminal blocks, switches. Fuses are off somewhere else, just other things, but that's kind of what I've got going for now, and as I build some more, I'll let you guys know. The black pipes over there, this is the actual vent. So this is the ZEP vent. It's a 12 volt, since we're going with the 12 volt system. And we may actually integrate this 12 volt piece in with some of my existing 12 volt stuff that's grid tied, but it has a battery backup as well, just in case things don't work out. Other than that, I'll keep you guys informed and show you what I've got after we get it installed more, and go from there. Take care.